You're bidding on a Ammco drum lathe. This is a model 4100. This has, I think, something like a longer stroke. It'll take care of truck rotors and drums a lot better than the regular Ammco combination. This came from a government facility. It hasn't been painted. You're seeing it. Let me turn this light on. This affects the movies. This has not been painted. This is just how we got it. There's trouble with this back feed. It's freewheeling, and it looks like the government, they usually drain the fluids anytime they store it, and I don't see any fluid on the dipstick, so it probably has to be taken apart, this gearbox, and soaked, or you can get a replacement or a rebuilt. All the parts inside it are available. I looked it up. It just looks like a gear, but whatever. It's in very nice shape. You can see the tooling here. None of the stuff looks like it's been used. There's the pegboard hooks for the back. It plays. It works. This here, this goes in and out, and you can I can do the fast and slow on this. That's the slow. That's the fast. I don't want to run it too long because I don't know how much oil is in it, if any. It's got these real nice cutter bars. This is a pretty nice, pretty slick outfit here. Another fitting there. Chip catcher. Real nice case. I guess we could have cleaned it up a little bit better, but like I say, you're seeing it just the way we got it. Everything is complete. Pretty nice piece. Full set of bands and fittings, and it's all there. Good luck bidding.